sit down there, buddy? What?
He just looks so disturbed.
You can't do it when his head's like that.
Oh.
I didn't pick him up by
I
his
know,
neck.
I know.
Sit on your butt. Stop it. Here. Look at his head. He keeps trying to...
There it is. It's full of air. I think that was good.
Oh.